Hey, what's up, y'all? It's MG here in the studio for ProxySites.ca and SpoofRod.com. And today we are going to be answering the question of what exactly a proxy is. Now, a proxy has two basic reasons for existing. One, to allow you to access sites that might be blocked due to filtering or firewalls, and two, to rearrange, mask, or change the IP which your computer is occupying. Now, the first reason, like I said, was to bypass filters or firewalls that are blocking you from accessing certain sites. I've configured my router to block us from Facebook.com. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen there, it's going to wait for Facebook.com for forever because my router is blocking it. Now, what can we do to get around this? We can access a proxy to bypass the filter on my router. Now, let's go in and click on any one of these proxies listed here on ProxySites.ca. Let's go with clockgirl.info. And as that's pulling up, this is a top list, ProxySites.ca, and it's updated with proxies all the time. So go ahead and hop onto our newsletter. It's free, and we send out daily proxies on there to your email address. Now, as you can see here, this is what a very, very basic proxy looks like. And let's go ahead and type in Facebook.com and press enter. And when this comes up, what do you know? You're on to Facebook.com. Now, this just doesn't work for my home router. It works for work, school, or anywhere that's blocking you from accessing a certain site. And obviously, there's some limitations when using a proxy. YouTube might not be able to work on some proxies because it eats up a lot of bandwidth for the server that you're accessing. But in general, proxies are very, very, very useful when trying to access your email, social networking sites, or even sites that just might be blocked for no general reason from school or home. Now, the second reason a proxy would be used is to generate your IP address, or regenerate it, if you will. And let's go ahead and travel on over to ipchicken.com. Now, what comes up here is your current IP address along with your host and the port you're occupying along with the browser you're using. Now, what we want to do is change this IP address, because every site you access, you leave not only your IP address but small packets of data on that site. And sometimes those packets of data can be toyed with. Now, I'm not saying this happens on all sites, but this does happen. So let's go ahead and head back on over to ProxySites.ca, and let's go back to clockgirl.info, and we're going to go ahead and type in, when clockgirl comes up, ipchicken.com. And our IP address has just been changed because we are logged onto a proxy. Now, this is a very, very, very good tool using a proxy. All proxies are basically the same. There's 5 or 6 basic types of proxies that are in use. You have a glide proxy, which is in use right now, it looks like, and you have a CGI proxy, which is a little slower, and you have a PHP proxy, which is a little slower than a glide proxy. Your glide proxies are going to be accessing the internet the fastest. And again, like I said, go ahead and hop on over to ProxySites.ca and scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to see our newsletter right here. And just enter your email in there, and it's going to take you to our Yahoo group, and you'll receive daily updates with fresh proxies you can use to access your sites from home, work, or school. And that's it for us today. I'm MG, and for ProxySites.ca and SpoofRod.com, Thank you for watching.